Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Hey guys, this is a review of the Bauer 25-foot heavy duty with an automatic lock tape measure. I'm gonna get to my favorite thing about this in just a minute, but this tape measure is awesome, guys. It does inches, and it does, I believe, only inches. So for me, I like that because it's very simple, and if I'm using a project where I'm only wanting inches and I don't have to deal with centimeters on each side and all that kind of stuff, very, very excellent for that. But yeah, it goes all the way out to 25 feet. Very, very, very nice quality tape. It isn't one of those flimsy ones that's just kind of like, I'm trying to bend it right now. There it goes, finally bent, right? You get those lower ones where you go out there and you're trying to get it to go out several feet, and it just all of a sudden just cracks on you like that. This one, very, very sturdy. My favorite thing about this is the auto lock function, where no matter how far you have it out, it's gonna lock until you push the button. You don't have to push a button to lock it in place. You just keep measuring, and then when you want to retract, you push the button, and back into the tape it goes. Anyway, guys, it's a very great product, high quality. I can't say anything better about this awesome tape measure. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.